Welcome back to Groove with your hoop. It's now time to actually get grooving. Before we get started, let's remember the two super important must-dos. Have the right size of hoop before you begin. And have you done your warm-up? Are you all set then? Let's go. Before we begin with waist hooping, here's a question. Do you think hooping is all about just moving your hips in circles like this along with your hoop? Well, when I started hooping, that's what even I thought. But there are two key techniques that go with it. The first technique is to place it horizontally straight on your back like this. Make sure it touches your back. This is very important. To begin with, start with the hoop on the right side of your body and swing it towards the left side with a force. Don't worry, it's not going to hit you as you are already inside the hoop. You can push the hoop from either side depending on what you prefer. I would suggest using the hand you write with to push and kickstart the hoop. At this point, I want you to count the number of spins you're able to take with your hoop without adding any body movement. Stay still and count the spins like this. Take your hand to the right, take your other hand away, push in, 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do 4 spins without adding any body movement, right? So, if you get good 4 spins, that means you're ready to spin the hoop on your waist by adding the first body movement, which is left and right belly kicks. If not, keep trying and you will get there. Push the hoop with force and start pushing your belly side to side with belly kicks on the left and right, feeling the touch of the hoop on the left and the right side of your body. Keep repeating till you get the rhythm. Let's do it together. Push the hoop, take your hands away, up, keep your body posture straight. Start going side to side, 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 side to side. Keep repeating till you get the rhythm. You might fail in the first few attempts, but I can guarantee you, you will get better with practice. Now let's understand the second technique. Place your right leg forward and left leg backwards. Push all the body weight on your right leg and place the hoop on your back. Just like this. Make sure you don't lean forward or backwards. Correct your body posture by rolling your back backwards like this. Don't look down at your hoop. Try to get a feel of the hoop on your body. Whenever you're ready, push the hoop around the waist and kick forward only with your belly. Let's do it together. Push. Take your hands away. Take your hands behind your ear. Keep your waist facing forward. Keep going front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Just like this. Keep going. Now remember, anytime you train your body to learn something new, repeat the motion over and over to guide your body into action. For example, repeat this after me. Front, back, front, back, front, back. You can do it now. Now, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. Some of you might enjoy left and right better or front and back better. Start with the technique that comes easy to you. But make sure to learn both techniques with time to become an amazing hooper. Keep practicing.